Okay, so these are the connections for a BOSCH CarPlay system. This is in an Evoque, but it's going to be similar for the Jaguar Land Rover vehicles. So we've got the main power for the CarPlay box. So you unplug that plug there from the original stereo, connected into this female connector here. Then you have the male connector on the CarPlay harness, goes into the back of the original stereo. There's another cable on this harness which plugs into the back of the screen there. Again, you plug the original plug that came out of the screen into this harness. In terms of the video input to the screen, we use an LVDS, which is this blue connector here. So you disconnect the blue connector from the back of the original screen, connected into this female connector. The CarPlay connector goes into the back of the screen. The other end of the video cable is this here, which goes into the LVDS connector on the CarPlay box, and the other end of the main power cable, which is these two here, one of them goes to the screen, one of them goes to the back of the stereo, goes into here. You will need to connect the Bluetooth antenna, which is here. Please do not stick it to the box like this customer has done. This was already attached when they brought the box into us to be installed.